Hello everyone. In today's video I did just want to do an update video over at the Windcreek Bethlehem Casino and Resort construction site. Oh my goodness everyone, they have gone ahead and definitely been heavy at work. Look at this site. This is over in the parking lot. Many months ago, you know, there was just nothing but parking spots in this area, and that's where you would walk into the convention center to go see concerts and shows and that, and they are just heavy at work. Look at that big crane still up in the air. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see what's in store for us in the near future of it all. Wow, there's actually workers there working so hard. Please like and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for watching this update. Can't wait to see what happens next time. Thanks everyone. Enjoy. Bye. Steel stacks. Steel stacks Bethlehem.